Without changing the formula much, GMC has made one significant revision to the 2024 Sierra 1500 lineup by making the 305 HP turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-six Duramax diesel the standard powertrain for the AT4X off-road pickup. There are also two new wheel options, new colors such as Downpour Metallic and Thunderstorm Gray, and a new nickname for the 310 HP turbocharged 2.7-liter inline-4 engine. Call it Turbo Max from now on. Subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like the video. The Sierra 1500 has several different powertrain combinations, which means its fuel economy ratings vary. Those most concerned with fuel efficiency should entertain the optional diesel engine, which is rated up to 23 mpg city and 30 mpg highway. However, most Sierras will be packing the 6.2-liter V8 that comes standard with every Denali model. It's estimated to earn up to 15 mpg city and 20 mpg highway when paired with four-wheel drive. The Sierra 1500 Denali we tested achieved 18 mpg in our real-world highway test. Inside, the Sierra feels designed with the driver in mind. The controls are all easy to reach, and the quality of the materials generally increases with the trim levels. Starting on the SLE, a 12.3-inch digital instrument panel becomes standard. Spending big on the upper trims unlocks even more desirable features, including a head-up display and a power-adjustable steering column. The Denali Ultimate is where things get seriously upscale thanks to open-pore wood trim and a surplus of leather-covered surfaces. The front seats also feature 16-way power adjustments as well as massage functions. Interior cubby storage is more than adequate for storing all manner of small items. While GMC doesn't offer any particularly innovative storage features, the Sierra 1500 can be had with a trick tailgate that has multiple configurations. There's also a class-exclusive carbon fiber reinforced cargo bed that is lighter and supposedly stronger than steel.